What's up, guys? This is Sydney with the Works Washing, and headed back from Tennessee now. Just left a motivational pressure washing event, and I just want to start this channel to show y'all that you can really start pressure washing with less than $1,000. I just bought a full trailer setup. It's got a 4,000 psi, 4 gallon a minute machine with two 50-gallon drums laid on their side with Lowe's water hose fitting bulkheads that are just thrown together. Got 300 foot of hose, two general pump hose reels. They're just used for storage, and it's not even, the pressure washer is not even plumbed to the reels right now, so it's a lot more time, more work, but still it's gonna make money. And I want to show you all that you can build a business from literally nothing. I went on Craigslist, I found this trailer, and I got signs made already. I got jackets, shirts. Need to get new shirts because I've done a few jobs for some family members, but clothes are getting ruined already using bleach or SH, which is sodium hypochlorite. And I found out I can buy it from Leslie's Pool Supply. I think they charge like $1.46 a gallon in my town right now, which is Pensacola, Florida. But I did get one job from a family member in Nashville, and that took about 2 hours for about a 2,500 square foot house. All I did was the house wash. Right now I'm downstreaming. Got like a 2.3 orifice downstream injector and a 5-gallon bucket. With a 5-gallon bucket, and I got 4 J-rods with a J-rod sleeve on it that I got from the event. But I can include that in the next video and show y'all. It's a neon pink, so you don't lose it in the dark or anything. So, because I hope to get into commercial jobs, but I want to bring y'all along and show y'all everything that it'll take, or that you need to get handled before you can get into commercial jobs or even residential jobs. But I think my surface cleaner is like a 24-inch or a 20-inch, which is way too big for my pressure washer right now. But you just gotta pre-treat the concrete, move slow. I've been kind of figuring everything out right now just on family members' houses, but no real big jobs yet. And if I can bring y'all along or get a tripod or something, I'll be able to do that and post more videos and show y'all what it's about. Maybe even get some customers involved and see what they have to say about it. See if they have any pointers or tips, because I know there's some customers out there that have their own business and started from nothing. So definitely be worth it. And I want to kind of make a build series on like the growth of a bank account to show like what equipment you can buy and upgrade to just from like a few months of work, if that, maybe even a month or two. So mainly that's what this channel is going to be. It's not really anything. I don't want, customers can watch so they can learn about it, but it's mainly going to be geared towards small business owners, people who want to get into the industry and start their own business. So it'll be fun to keep an eye out on and stay up to date with the videos. So if you want to subscribe, feel free to do so. Or just like the video. Hopefully it'll be a good series. I can set y'all up. And right now I found that time lapse for like home washing is kind of cool, and concrete cleaning. So y'all enjoy. Y'all have a good day. Stay up to date. See you.